In the Measurements editor, select the tool to access the document price list. View the tariff code, description, the unit of measurement and the unit rate. In the summary you have the quantity and amount of items used in the BOQ estimate. Group the items according to the various types of chapter structure levels. Order items alphabetically by description. And choose to view the short or extended description across one or more rows. Select an item and highlight its use in the BOQ estimate. Like with other editors, the price list tool also has a search bar with the main functions. The price list tool closes automatically, but you can lock the windows and resize the two editors as required.